Today we're going to be starting at 1959 DBD34 BSA Gold Star. One of the features of this machine is the GP3 smoothbore racing carburetor. It has no needle visible in the choke. The controls that we have on this are clutch and valve lift, extra air lever for enrichment, advance and retard for setting the timing, throttle and brake. To start the engine, we're going to turn on the petrol. The extra air lever doesn't operate so much like a choke. It has a slide that opens on the side of the carburetor. That's the starting position. When you start, you then open it up for a running position. To start the engine, we turn the petrol on. We have a matchbox float chamber. We tickle it very gently as you just fill the petrol. You don't want to flood the engine because it will run straight in. The settings that we need for the ignition is, this is cable type full advance. So we fill for the cable and we just give about quarter to a third advance. We then need to position the engine by taking around to compression, up to the top, valve lift, one stroke, back up to the top. Right, we have a full advance. And as you see on this engine, we don't have any provision for slow running, and it's always liable to stall, but it will run slower than that. We start it again. Fully warm, you can open the air valve completely, but that's on full of retard. If you advance it, stop the engine with the decompressor.